Hello and welcome to OnlineKhata. OnlineKhata is an easy to use invoicing and accounting automation cloud-based software which saves your money and time. Today we are going to see how we settle invoices easily. So let's get started. Right now we are in the view invoice screen. You can filter your invoices if you want to see just the sales invoice or the purchase invoice. However, we are going to select all invoices. Now you can see the list of invoices in a tabular format. At the end of every row, there is a panel with the actions you can do. These include cancelling the invoice, settling the payments, or recording the receipt settlements. Obviously, you can see that P indicates payment and R indicates receipt. So now let's settle a bill wherein a customer had paid us money for the invoice and now we have to record the receipt. This is the way we do it. As you can see, it's pretty simple, straightforward. The best part is that the accounting entry, which your accountant would later on need, is done automatically for you, which means that those entries where you need to do the debits and the credits is made for you. So it becomes straightforward and easy, isn't it? However, if you want to do your entries yourself, if you want to make the vouchers yourself, then you can do it as well. Those options are available here in the sidebar. So all the vouchers you would like to use are available in OnlineKhata. Well, how you would make the vouchers yourself, that would be for another tutorial. Until then, goodbye and happy invoicing.